In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and manage your orders on Free People. We'll go through a few simple steps to help you navigate your account on the Free People website effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at checking in on your orders and managing your account information with ease. First, let's get you started by opening your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser, just go ahead and click on its icon to launch it and get connected to the internet. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to www.freepeople.com. Simply type the URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be taken to the Free People's homepage where you can find all of their latest fashion and lifestyle offerings. Now that you're on the website, it's time to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on this to open the login form. Here, you'll need to enter the email address and password that you used when you signed up for your Free People account. If you can't remember your password, there's usually a forgot password link there, which will guide you through the process of resetting it. Just ensure that the details you type in are accurate before clicking the button to sign in. Once you're logged in, it's time to access your account. Again, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you should see your account name or icon. Give it a click. A handy drop-down menu will appear, and from there you want to select the option that says My Account. This will take you straight to your personal account area where you can review and manage your information. With your account dashboard in front of you, the next step is to find your orders. Look for a section or a tab labeled Orders. It's here where you will find a comprehensive list of all your recent and past orders. This section is incredibly useful for checking the status of your ongoing orders or even for referencing previous purchases. This is your go-to spot whenever you need to track a package or want to know more about what you've ordered. And there you have it. By following these easy instructions, you can access and manage your orders on Free People efficiently, keeping tabs on everything you need with just a few clicks. Don't forget, being familiar with your account options and navigation can make online shopping a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy the fun part, shopping. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy shopping!